I love playing with the bottles. Hello, baby! Oh my gosh. What did you mean? Say it again. Didn't hear you. Say it again. Can we see your face now? Oh, look at his little nose. Oh. You should see his round little belly. Let's look at his round little belly. Oh. Her name was Cookie, but then I thought, why not Maggie? Because she looks like a magpie. Maggie's a nice name. What do you think, Maggie? Maggie or Cookie? Oh, what are you doing? Trying to climb everywhere. These cats, they just love climbing on me. All the time. Hello, Fudge. Fudge, that's baby food. That's for babies, not adults. Why are you pushing the baby out? Let the baby eat. Don't be selfish. Is that delicious, baby? Fudge, why do you have to be selfish? she eats so much. You're gonna be fat soon if you keep eating all their food. Oh, sorry, baby. Oh my gosh. It was climbing in between my knees. One of the babies is... Oh no, all the babies are here. All the babies are here. Was that delicious? Did that taste so good? Oh no, you want some milk as well? Go have some milk as well. Or why don't you have some water? Look at his little nose. Looky lick. You got food on your nose. What would the other babies eat? They ate fish. I made them salmon. And all the kittens ate the salmon. But they don't want to eat the cat food that's designed for kittens. Look at you. Oh my goodness. You're a cutie. Look, they're still drinking milk. They're still drinking milk. Oh, look at you, little. Look at your little belly. Your little belly. Can you wave goodbye to the camera? Let me grab you. Bye. Bye. Bye bye. Okay then.